Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to add collaboration in Instagram post after posting. So for this, let's open our Instagram app. Once the app is open, then click on your profile in the right bottom corner. So there we have all the posts that I have already created. So if I open this post here and we want to add people here with which we collaborate, so you need to click on three dots on the top right corner and then we have this edit option. Okay, so now if you want to add them in caption, you can add them here. Like just type @ and here you need to type their name and then you can choose their name and also you can type collaboration with this brand like this. Then you can tag people too. If you want to tag them, then click on tag and now click on tap to tag. Here again search for their name and click on their profile and now the people are tagged here. Then click on this tick button here. Then if this is a paid partnership, then click on edit paid partnership label and you can enable this and then click on the tick button. And now again click on this tick button and now the collaborators are added in Instagram post after posting. If this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.